Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how can you easily borrow money on Cash App, so let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open the Cash App application and on the money screen tap on this borrow button right there. The next screen should look like this. Now as you can see it says up to $25 that I can borrow, but when you borrow more over time it's gonna increase the limit. So tap on get started right here. You can choose 20, 25, or tap on the three dots right there to write your own amount. Now from here, as you can see, if I choose to borrow $20, I have a $1 fee. If I accept that, I can confirm the weekly payment schedule. If not, I can just tap choose and choose one of these right here. Once I make up my mind, I'm gonna tap on next, and here I'm just gonna go ahead and enter the full social security number, tap on next, enter my cash pin right here, and then in the next screen I should go ahead and fill in this info, make sure it is correct, so the legal name, address, and date of birth, of course. I'm gonna tap on yes in the bottom, and then here I'm gonna make sure everything looks right. You can scroll down, and then once you make sure everything looks right, you go ahead and tap on borrow instantly, and then as you can see guys, I have successfully borrowed $20, and then I tap on done in the bottom. That's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.